Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make this pretty oxidized jhumkas which I have made in this colorful combinations and they are looking so pretty, and as always I'll wear it and let you know. So you must be thinking that because of the stud and this overall designing it's so heavy, but trust me, they are not heavy at all. Like, I really don't feel like I'm wearing something. So I have made them in multicolor for like I had made in Navratri, but I'm just posting it today. Uh, so it's perfect for that time, and also for Ranga Panchami I had worn this. But you can make them in one color like red, pink, green, yellow, like any one color, or you can make in two colors like combination of pink and blue, or pink and red, or white and red, and something like that as per the requirement. So yeah, so do try to make this earring at home and do try to make in any other color combination, and do let me know in the comments below as in which color combination you are gonna make it. And also you can always try to change this stud, like you may not get this stud at the market and this kind of jhumka again in the market, but you can find something similar which you like the most, and you can experiment with that. So do let me know how was the experience while making this. And if you are following my channel for the long time but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I have a request that I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform, and soon we will be the family of 1,000 people. And I'm so happy that I just searched at how the 1,000 people will look, and I'm so excited for that. So do press the subscribe button for the same, and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get. So first we'll take this Laria, which is also called a sprintle, and then add the zero size bead in this. This is also called a seed bead, and then we'll add this oval size glass bead in this. And then to make it more attractive, we'll add this 2-3 pearls in that. So you can take any color that you want, and we are just gonna make it in multicolor as I told you earlier. So now I'm taking this oxidized jhumka. I'm taking this small medium sized jhumka, and we'll just add this in any hole and wrap it properly. So in this way we have to wrap it to all the jhumka. Like, I'll just leave one hole and then add it. So, and I have done this in multicolor. So you have to do like this, and this is how it looks. So now we'll just take this stud, which is also the ready-made one. So you can again take any other jhumka that stud that just match your vibe and just attach it. So with the help of jump ring, we will add this jhumka to the stud, and make sure to always use the plier to close the loop so that it will get attached very properly and nicely. And that's it guys. With this, how these pretty cute earrings are ready. So do try to make these earrings at home, and do let me know how was your experience while making it. And do subscribe to my channel fast. We are soon gonna be the family of 1K. I'm so excited. See you soon the next time. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.